So we're going to fix that. And then here we got, what do you call that? The brake release right there has an issue. It's all bent down. I'm going to re-weld that in place. Okay, here we are on the parking brake lever. Here. You can see here, I have to weld that piece back on. They usually break off in the truck. Big lead feet people. Put a little weld there across there. I'm going to put it back in. I did not videotape it taking it out. But at the same time, I went back through there. Use some light on it. Went through there and I greased up all the pins and pivot points in there. So now I have a smooth operation. I'm missing a little rubber bumper right there. I'm going to go down to the store and get that right now. Okay, back to the bumper on the parking brake assembly here. Went down and bought a cheap little bumper. It's marked Ford, Universal. Put that through the little hole right there. Some pliers. Pop it through. Yes, there. Popped right in. Okay, on the reassembly of this, one of the most important thing is get all your screws and everything at anti-seize compounds and everything. You want to get your ball and everything through there. That was a pain in the ass. But the most important thing is don't lose these clips. I had to take this off a backup truck I have in the upper yard, and it's $28 for 12. So don't lose that. If you have to, you can make something. But if you go to the junkyards, always gather these up. Gold. Okay, so we've got the cable connected back up to the parking foot pedal. We got it up in place. We're going to go ahead and slip it through the two holes. You can see I got anti-seize on everything. Let's see how this goes now. Okay, come on, baby. There, I went through the hole. Now I'm going to take the retaining bolt, and that's going to go through right here. This goes up all over. That will take. Get the bolt down first. Here, washer on, bolt in the right direction. There. Now that will just be just a quick assembly with ratchet and wrenches. I got it right here, but take a second. You edit it any way you want it. 16. just that little long bolt. This would be an inch and a half. Why they made it like that, I don't know. Okay, it's tight again. Boom, boom. Parking brake on. You can see it got the rubber bumper up there. Spring. That isn't just spring. I don't know why it didn't go back. Okay, back up here is where the two nuts go on the back there. We'll screw them in there by hand. Pull it out. And these are flange locking nuts. Now the rest is just ratcheting and we're done. One note here, if you're planning on taking off your parking brake foot assembly up there, make sure you wire wheel all the threads before you start up here. It'll really pay off later on. Then liquid wrench or whatever WD-40 on there and let that set up for a day or so before you do the job.